Let's talk about a vegetable you probably see all the time, the carrot. But there's so much more going on with this simple root vegetable than you might think. We're going to dig in and uncover all the surprising, full body benefits packed inside.
Okay, so if I asked you to name one health benefit of carrots, what would you say? I'm pretty sure almost everyone would have the exact same answer. It's the one we all learned as kids, right?
Yep, you got it. They're good for your eyes, and it's all thanks to this thing called beta-carotene. Our bodies are super smart and turn it into vitamin A. This stuff is fantastic for keeping our eyes healthy, helping protect them from the sun, and even lowering the risk of things like cataracts.
But here's the thing. What if that's just scratching the surface? What if that famous eye health power is just chapter one of a much, much bigger story? Well, guess what? It is. And we're about to dive into the rest of it.
So, to really get what carrots are all about, we're going to take a little tour. A tour of the human body, that is. We're going head to toe to see just how big their impact really is. All right, first stop on our tour, the heart. The engine room of the whole operation. And it turns out carrots are incredibly good for your ticker.
So, what's going on here? Well, first off, they've got potassium, which is a huge deal for keeping your blood pressure in a good spot. They're also loaded with antioxidants, the good guys that fight off damage to your cells. And here's a little insider tip for you. If you ever spot red carrots, grab them. They have lycopene. That's the same powerful stuff in tomatoes that's famous for helping prevent heart disease.
Okay, from the heart, let's jump over to your body's personal security detail, your immune system. Keeping this system strong is everything, right? And you guessed it, carrots have a role to play here too. A lot of this comes down to good old vitamin C. This helps your body build up antibodies, which are basically the soldiers that fight off germs. But it's a team player too. It actually helps your body absorb and use iron, which is another must-have for staying healthy and keeping infections away. Okay, next up, let's talk about something a little less glamorous but super important, digestion. This is where carrots, especially raw ones, really get to shine. I mean, the source material says it best. If things are a little stuck, munching on some raw carrots can really help. It's all about that high fiber content, which helps, keep you regular. It's such a simple, natural fix. All right, check this out. Next, we've got a 2-for-1 deal. Carrots help build you up from the inside out, helping both your bones and your teeth. So, for your bones, it's about what's packed inside. They've got calcium, obviously, but they also have vitamin K. And vitamin K is super important because it helps your body actually use that calcium to build strong bones. Now, for your teeth, it's more of a physical thing. When you chew a raw carrot, it literally scrubs your teeth. It's like a tiny edible toothbrush. Okay, for the last stop on our body tour, let's talk about your body's biggest organ, your skin. Yep, carrots can help keep it healthy and strong too. Remember that beta-carotene we talked about for your eyes? Well, it's a superstar for your skin too. And that vitamin C from the immune system section? It's essential for making collagen. That's the stuff that keeps your skin firm and elastic. So it's like a complete skincare package, all in one vegetable. Okay, so we've seen what carrots can do for us. But now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how they do it. We're going to do a little nutritional deep dive into the power behind the pigment. Whoa, okay, look at this number, 73%. What does that even mean?
Get this. In just a half cup of carrots, you get 73% of all the vitamin A you need for an entire day. I mean, that is just incredible. What a nutritional punch. And hey, carrots are no one-trick pony. This chart shows it all. Besides that massive hit of vitamin A, you're also getting a nice dose of vitamin K for your bones and that potassium and fiber we already know are great for your heart and gut. This all leads to a really good question, right? Is it better to eat them raw or cooked? And the answer is, well, it depends on what you're going for. If you want that fiber to help with digestion, raw is the way to go, for sure. But, and this is so interesting, if you cook them, your body can actually absorb that awesome beta-carotene more easily. So there's a benefit to both.
Okay, so with all this great news, you might be thinking, I'm just going to eat carrots all day long. But can you have too much of a good thing? Let's take a look.
Believe it or not, yeah, you can. If you go way overboard and eat a ton of carrots, all that extra beta-carotene can actually make your skin turn a little bit orange-yellow. It's a real thing. It's called carotenemia. But don't panic. It's completely harmless and it just goes away if you ease up on the carrots. So no, you won't permanently turn into a carrot. So moderation is key, as always. With that in mind, let's talk about a super delicious way to get all these benefits into your diet. Here's a really simple classic recipe. This is just a classic for glazed carrots. It's so easy and it really brings out that natural sweetness. All you're gonna do is simmer the carrots till they're nice and tender. Drain them, and then just shake them around in the pan with a little bit of sugar until they get that beautiful shiny glaze. It's just a fantastic side dish. So what's the big takeaway here? It's that this humble, everyday root vegetable that we see all the time is a straight-up nutritional powerhouse. I mean, from your heart to your immune system to your bones to your skin, the impact is huge, and it's body-wide. It kind of changes how you look at them, doesn't it? So next time you grab a carrot, are you going to think of it as just a snack, or will you see it for what it really is? One of nature's very own multivitamins.